In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove campaigns in Google Ads. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can clean up old or unwanted campaigns with confidence. First, make sure you're on your Google Ads dashboard. From here, look to the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Campaigns in the left pane. If you see a collapsible section labeled Campaigns, expand it and select Campaigns to open the Main Campaigns table. This view shows all the campaigns tied to your current account and the filters you have applied. If something looks missing or different, it might be due to filters, date ranges, or user permissions, but we'll stay focused on the removal process. You'll now see a list of your campaigns in a table. Find the campaign you want to remove and check the box next to its name to select it. You can select more than one if you want to remove several at once. As soon as you select a campaign, a context bar appears above the table. This bar provides quick actions relevant to your selection, so you won't need to dig through deeper menus. On that context bar, click Edit. In the drop-down, choose either Discard or Remove, depending on what you see. The wording can vary based on whether you're working with a draft or a standard campaign, but both options are designed to stop the selected campaign from running and take it out of your active workflow. When prompted, confirm your choice. After confirmation, the campaign will no longer serve ads. It's helpful to know that a removed campaign typically remains in your account for historical reporting, but it won't deliver impressions or spend any budget going forward. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If you're unsure whether you'll need the campaign later, consider pausing instead of removing, since removal is effectively final and you generally can't re-enable a removed campaign. If you don't see the campaign after removal, it's likely being hidden by filters that show only active items. Adjusting your view to include removed campaigns will let you confirm it's gone from active status. And if you're managing multiple campaigns, selecting them in bulk and using the same edit menu can save time. And there you go. Click Campaigns, select your campaign, use the edit menu, and choose Discard or Remove. That's all.